Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ebony and this is Forever Ebony. So today you guys, I have a special unboxing from Louis Vuitton. This is actually two unboxings. So inside of this box is an accessory, and the accessory that's inside of this box goes with the bag that's inside of that box. Once we get inside of the box and you see the bag, you'll understand why this accessory was necessary for me to go with the bag. Now this bag actually was not on my radar at all. It came out about a year ago and I honestly wasn't planning on purchasing it. I had my heart set on the new Cognac Collection, but after seeing some of the pieces before the release, I really wasn't wowed by any of them. I thought I wanted the Neverfull, but in person it didn't have the same impact I was expecting, and on top of that, the color felt a little bit off. As you all know, this collection is a re-release from the popular Cognac Collection from 2 years ago, but to me the color just seems different. Even the essay I was working with mentioned that this collection has a slightly more red undertone, and I have to agree. Now, I don't own anything from the previous collection, but this color just seems a little bit different in my opinion. The color wasn't the main reason I decided to skip out on it. Once I realized the Neverfull wasn't for me, I considered the mini Bumbag next. Unfortunately, the store I visited didn't have early access to the Cognac Empreinte mini Bumbag, but they did have the black Empreinte mini Bumbag. So I compared it to the monogram version, and while I really did like the leather one, the strap it comes with isn't tall girl friendly. So that kind of ruled out the Cognac mini Bumbag for me. Here's my receipts from the purchases. I actually purchased them together, but for some reason they were shipped out to me in two different boxes. Inside, I did write myself a little note. It might be hard to see on screen because it's embossed, but it just says 1 of 3 because you guys, I have done the most this year with purchasing bags. I've purchased 13 bags, so I am limiting myself to just 3 more for the rest of the year, and this is one of them. So this is just a little reminder for me that this is a 1 of 3, and after that I am done for the year. So let's get into this box, you guys. I know you probably have a good idea of what's inside. Now, I did remove the ribbon already because this bag is known to have quality issues, so I just wanted to check it over first to make sure everything was okay. The one I saw in store was actually in perfect condition, but it was a display bag and I didn't feel comfortable getting that one. And here it is, you guys, the mini Bumbag in monogram canvas. This is going to be the perfect grab and go bag for me. I don't have anything like this in my collection, but when I tried it on in store, I am telling you, you guys, I did not want to take it off. I immediately just fell in love with it. So again, I did take the ribbon off because I wanted to look it over. I saw another video here on YouTube of someone who had purchased this bag 6 times before he was able to get one in good shape. I'll link that video in the description box if I can find it, but that 6 times to get a perfect one had me a bit worried, so I just had to look over mine, and I will say that it's in almost perfect condition. The only issue that I'm noticing is that the zipper is a bit smashed. It should be standing up straight like this, so I'm planning on stuffing it for about a week to see if that'll help. I mean, I guess it's really not a big deal, but little stuff like that really does bug me. Other than that, I'd say it's in really good shape. Now, this bag, it does have a little pre-tanned vachetta leather, which I am not a fan of at all. But honestly, it's really not that much, just on the sides and right here up front. So that's really not a lot. But I have heard that even the pre-tanned vachetta can still get water spots. So I'm going to protect it with Apple Guard just for a little bit more peace of mind. Other than the zipper and my dislike of the vachetta, I honestly think it's perfect. It does also come with this chain, and I know a lot of people don't like the length of the chain, but actually I don't mind it. I think it looks really high fashion, so I'm definitely going to be using a chain. It also comes with a pre-tanned vachetta crossbody strap that I will not be using at all. I'm actually just going to put this right back inside of the dust bag and just store it in the box. If I'm being honest, you guys, this strap is a total joke to me because it's not tall girl friendly at all, and even if it were, the vachetta does make me nervous, so I still wouldn't use it. Now, just in case you would or you're interested, it has 7 different holes for adjustment, so if you're shorter, it could possibly work for you. Because the strap that comes with it is not going to work for me, I did end up ordering this strap to go with it. And I just want to quickly give a shout out to Liz here on YouTube. Her channel name is Nothing But Bags. If you guys are not following her channel, do yourself a favor and go ahead and follow her right now. I'm going to link her channel up above. All you have to do is just click on her channel name. She loves bags just as much as I do, if not more. And she has a really nice Louis Vuitton collection. So subscribe to her channel if you're not already subscribed. She had the same issue with the strap for this bag being too short. So she ordered this strap for her monogram bum bag. She actually has two of them. She has one in canvas and one in leather. But she uses this strap for her canvas one. And as soon as I saw her with it, I instantly knew I needed it too in order to make this bag work. This is, just in case you're not familiar, the same monogram strap that comes with the pochette Matisse. Now, I have the pochette Matisse right there in reverse monogram, but the strap that comes with it is in reverse monogram as well. And I mean, I could have used the reverse monogram strap on my mini bum bag, but I just thought it would look a lot cleaner and a lot better with this one. So I went ahead and ordered it, and it makes a big difference. It gives me the length that I need, and it really just gives the bag a whole new look. I do have one other strap that will work with this bag. You guys, I have watched so many videos on this mini bum bag, even after I ordered it. Do you guys ever do that? After you order a bag and it's on the way, do you still keep watching videos about it? I do that all the time. And I recently watched a video from another YouTuber whose content I really like, Curvy and Chic. She has a video showing her mini bum bag with different straps. And one of them was this guitar strap from the Speedy 20 in Diamond Bean. Now, if you're not new to my channel, I don't have to tell you how much I love this strap. I just never thought to pair it with the mini bum bag, but after I saw how she paired hers with the bag and how nice it looked, it gave me the idea to pair it with mine. So let me just show you how it looks with the guitar strap. This mini bum bag is so versatile, you guys. Even though it comes with the pre-tanned vachetta crossbody strap, you don't have to stick with that if it's not your style. You can mix and match different straps to fit your aesthetic, and it can completely transform the bag. So here's the strap on the bag. Even with the pre-tanned vachetta leather, the strap's leather complements the bag really nicely, and I'm definitely planning to switch it up every now and again with this strap. So I also want to give you a closer look inside of the bag and show you how much you can actually fit in it. The interior is lined in a microfiber, and right there in the back it just says Louis Vuitton Paris. So this one was made in the US. I did end up getting a bag organizer for it, but to be honest, it's really not necessary. This one came from Zumani, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. Since the inside of the mini bum bag is brown, a brown organizer doesn't really provide the pop of color I usually like, but this was the only one available. I think I might return it and look for a different color, but honestly, you guys, this bag doesn't really need an organizer. So let's go ahead and pack it. First up is my Louis Vuitton card holder in reverse monogram, which fits perfectly inside. Next is my Gucci card case wallet, and this should fit inside as well. And it does. So that's what it's looking like so far inside. There's still some room, so I'll add my Gucci key pouch, which fits nicely right there. And then lastly, I'll put in my AirPods, and those just fit right in the corner, and it zips right up. Now that I have my stuff inside, I've got to admit the zipper looks much better. What do you guys think? Before I put my stuff inside, the zipper was a bit saggy and smushed down, but now that everything's inside, it seems to be holding its shape better. I'm still going to keep the bag stuffed for about a week to make sure that the shape stabilizes fully, and I'll update you guys later on how that turns out. But overall, based on how it looks now with my stuff inside, I really think the stuffing will do the trick. And there it is, my new Louis Vuitton mini bum bag. You guys, again, I was not checking for this bag at first, and I do not know why. Well, I do know why. This vachetta leather is why. But I'm going to spray it with apple guard, and I think I'll be just fine. So let me know, you guys, what do you think? Did I make the right call, or would you have gone with the Cognac Prompt mini bum bag? Ultimately, I felt like it didn't quite match what I wanted. In the end, this monogram canvas just felt right. And that's going to do it for today's video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video.